Yeah. I'm gonna start to fish without a traditional fishing rod. There's a woodpecker up there. So I made myself a little hobo stick and we're gonna try to catch something. I'm not even gonna explain how to make it because it's pretty mega easy as far as a simple little fishing rod, you know what I mean? Let's see if we have success. Nice. Oh man. Dude, are you kidding me? I end up catching the bass with this. Oh my lord. Get out of here. I mean, it's not that huge. Oh. Whew. Get out of here with that. First time that I used a hobo fishing stick here, and I caught this guy. Unbelievable. Oh man. Got that guy. Time to wrap it up. I'm gonna keep this ridiculous thing for good luck, even though I'm not really sure how I feel about luck. But first time I cast this thing and I get myself the fish I was looking for. That's crazy. Look at this. It's time to go. Mosquitoes are gonna come out. I just threw my threw it in right as I was getting ready, and look at this huge guy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this guy. He's huge. Unbelievable. Holy crap. Dude, I caught this ginormous fish. Well, it's not ginormous. Look at this guy. Holy cannoli.